Hey folks, this is Jimmy Lee with Armor Guys presenting you with Gloves 101, Norms Explained. What are ANSI cut levels? There's a lot of evaluation that goes into creating personal protective equipment that lives up to the wearer's needs and expectations. If you're investing in cut-resistant gloves, for example, you need to know that the gloves will protect your workers. That's where ANSI cut levels come in. ANSI stands for American National Standards Institute, and it constructs the standards that help workers choose what glove is best fitted for the job at hand. What determines an ANSI cut-resistant level? To earn the label of cut-resistant, ANSI 105 requires that the gloves pass the ASTMF 2992-15 using the TDM test machine. This is a test that measures the amount required to push a blade across a glove cut-through for 25 millimeters. Testing cut levels. The TDM test is applied to the glove and the cut level is measured by how many grams of cutting force can be applied before the blade cuts through the glove. ANSI standards, old versus new. ANSI standards changed from only offering 5 levels of cut resistance to 9 levels, giving workers a more specific range of cut levels to choose from. The higher the risk, the higher you would want your cut level. For example, someone working with packaging would need a cut level of A2 and under. Someone working with general carpentry would need a cut level of A4. And sheet metal work would require a cut level of A6 and up. Once you know the cut level needed for your job, it's easy to pinpoint the right product. When you visit Armor Guy's product section on the website, you can search for gloves based on ANSI cut levels and rest easy knowing your crew has the protection they need. Thank you for tuning in. You can head over to our website at armorguys.com for more information. Till next time, this is Jimmy Lee with Armor Guys. Armor Guys introduces Kyorene Pro, a cut above. Kyorene Pro is an improved version of our Kyorene gloves, offering higher cut levels and abrasion resistance. Kyorene Pro technology reaches the highest level of cut protection, A9. Kyorene Pro gloves are also free of stainless steel. This allows a more flexible glove and less hand fatigue. It also eliminates issues seen with stainless steel breaking through the other fibers in the glove, poking the wearer and causing minor but noticeable discomfort. It is also free of fiberglass, thus eliminating issues resulting from the breaking down of the fiberglass causing skin irritation. Additional properties of Kyorene Pro: bacteriostatic, regulates bad bacteria and inhibits the reproduction and growth of new bacteria. Deodorizing, balances and neutralizes the acidity of body sweat, minimizing odor. Thermal regulation, maintains a consistent temperature of the hand in both hot and cold environments through a process known as far infrared. The Kyorene Pro glove range is starting with 3 gloves, cut A3 to A5, and 2 sleeves, cut A6. Kyorene Pro raises the bar for hand protection around the world.
Hey folks, this is Jimmy Lee, here with Armor Guys. Today, I'm going to be showing you the Kyorene Pro 00-840 glove. Now this glove has an 18 gauge gray Kyorene Graphene Pro liner with our black HCT microfoam nitrile palm coating. Now, if you don't know what graphene is, it is a nano-sized carbon material that is the most important and leading edge material on Earth and possesses inherent properties beyond imagination. The density of graphene is harder than a diamond. It's up to 300 times stronger than steel and is the strongest material ever measured in the world. When introducing graphene to a variety of textile fibers, the characteristics of those fibers show superior performance. They are produced without stainless steel or fiberglass. They're food compliant, antibacterial, have UV resistance, deodorizing properties, thermal regulation, and are very lightweight and comfortable for a long day of work. The Kyorene Pro 00-840 has an ANSI cut level of A4 and an EN cut level 3, so this glove provides a decent cut protection when you're on the job. It also features a thumb crotch reinforcement, and this is a really great feature because this area is a spot where the glove really starts to wear down first. With the thumb crotch reinforcement placed here, it gives the glove a longer lifespan. The applications for this glove are automotive manufacturing, construction, metal stamping, sheet metal handling, and steel processing. Remember, this is the Kyorene Pro 00-840 graphene glove. Till next time, this is Jimmy Lee with Armor Guys.
Armor Guys is proud to introduce 3 innovative and groundbreaking gloves designed to provide users the best fit, comfort, and protection available in the market today. The use of graphene in the monofilament fiber construction of the Kyorene Pro range allows for a variety of yarn configurations that can achieve ANSI cut levels reaching A9 while offering users unprecedented dexterity. In addition, all products in the Kyorene Pro range offer 4 key inherent properties: bacteriostatic, odor neutralization, thermal regulation, and UV protection. 00836, the lightest, thinnest ANSI cut level A3 glove. The proprietary yarn configuration of the 18-gauge liner, coupled with our groundbreaking HCT nanofoam nitrile palm coating, offers users a true second skin feel and tactile sensitivity that is second to none. 00845, the most dexterous liquid-resistant ANSI cut level A4 glove. The 18-gauge liner is fully coated in smooth nitrile with a second palm coating with HCT microfoam nitrile. The HCT coating channels liquids away from the surface, providing the needed grip, and the smooth nitrile coating acts as a barrier to prevent liquids from penetrating the glove, keeping the user's hands dry in the most challenging work environments. 00890, the first to market 18-gauge ANSI cut level A9 glove. The proprietary yarn configuration offers unparalleled protection without compromising fit or dexterity. The HCT microfoam nitrile palm coating performs well in a variety of work environments. Thank you for tuning in and learning more about our Kyorene Pro graphene gloves. You can head over to our website, armorguys.com, for more information. As we continue our quest in developing the most innovative and groundbreaking glove technologies, we're proud to introduce 2 high-cut resistant impact gloves in the Kyorene Pro range. The use of graphene in the monofilament fiber construction of the Kyorene Pro range allows for a variety of yarn configurations that can achieve ANSI cut levels reaching A9 while offering users unprecedented dexterity. In addition, all products in the Kyorene Pro range offer 4 key inherent properties: bacteriostatic, odor neutralization, thermal regulation, and UV protection. 00847, the first to market 18-gauge ANSI cut level A4 ANSI Impact Level 2 glove. The patented and proprietary yarn configuration, coupled with our HCT microfoam nitrile palm coating, offers users exceptional dexterity and durability. The innovative back-of-hand impact protection offers unrivaled protection without sacrificing comfort. 00897, another first-to-market 18-gauge ANSI cut level A9 ANSI Impact Level 2 glove with a similar patented and proprietary yarn configuration coupled with our HCT microfoam nitrile palm coating offers users the exceptional dexterity and durability while providing touchscreen capability. The innovative back-of-hand impact protection offers unrivaled protection without sacrificing comfort. Thank you for tuning in and learning more about our Kyorene Pro graphene gloves. You can head over to our website, armorguys.com, for more information.